After Tuesday's remarkable rebound, investors will monitor the indices movement today to judge whether yesterday's recovery was a dead cat bounce or a resumption of a sustainable uptrend. The BSE Sensex bounced back over 900 points from the day's low yesterday to end nearly 200 points higher at 58,664. The NSE Nifty, on the other hand, bounced back from a low of 17,200 to end above 17,500 mark. On tech charts, the sharp reversal resulted in a bullish candle on daily charts, suggesting further upside from the current levels. That said, the scheduled derivatives expiry of November future and options series on Thursday may keep the markets volatile today. Strength in the US dollar, news flow around rising COVID-19 cases globally, and movement in commodity prices are some of the other global headwinds that may keep investors cautious. Back home, analysts say the speed of the market rally is going to slow down now as we are entering the next phase of the bull market, which is going to be much more measured and selective. So which stocks look attractive on charts? Let's find out. According to tech charts, 5 large cap stocks, Cipla, Maruti Suzuki, UPL, Power Grid and Tech Mahindra are trading in the oversold zone. In the near term, these stocks will likely witness a sharp rally from the current levels provided the overall market sentiment stays positive. Shares of Maruti Suzuki, for instance, are expected to see a 14% rally and the stock may hit the Rs 9,000 mark in the near term. Those of Tech Mahindra and UPL, on the other hand, can see a 9% and 10% rally respectively. Power Grid and Cipla, meanwhile, may rise up to 8%. Apart from these large cap stocks, investors may also consider investing in recently listed LatentView Analytics shares, albeit at lower levels. The data analytics firm made a strong market debut on the bourses on Tuesday and listed at 530 rupees per share on the BSE, a 169% premium against the issue price of 197 rupees per share. The firm's maiden offering had garnered 339 times subscription, making it the most subscribed initial public offering ever. Going forward, analysts advise short-term investors to partially book profit as valuation post a stellar listing pop look expensive. Santosh Meena, head of research at Swastika Investmart, for instance, says aggressive investors should hold on to the stock, while those who played for listing gain should keep a stop loss at Rs 490. Moreover, analysts say new investors should wait for correction to buy the stock as data analytics is one of the fastest growing areas and LatentView has emerged as a niche player offering services at a global scale.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.